Tired of feeling like you're shaking hands with a snowman? Let's fix that. Cold hands and feet can be more than just a minor inconvenience. They can be a sign of underlying health issues. They can be a sign of iron deficiency anemia or low levels of essential vitamins like B3, B6, B12 and E. These deficiencies can affect your overall well-being and energy levels. When you're anemic, your blood circulation takes a hit because your body lacks enough red blood cells to deliver oxygen efficiently. This can leave you feeling tired, weak, and perpetually cold. So how do you fix this? Simple. It all starts with your diet. Boost your iron intake with leafy greens, beans, nuts, fortified cereals, and red meat. These foods are rich in iron and can help improve your blood's oxygen-carrying capacity. And don't forget vitamin C. It helps your body absorb iron better. Include citrus fruits, bell peppers, and strawberries in your diet. Now go warm those hands and feet up. With these dietary changes, you'll feel more energized and comfortable.